Today, we want to show you how our engraving service works. When you are on our main page, click on the Engraving Service category. You can choose whether you want to personalize on one or two sides. In this case, we are going to personalize a pendant on both sides. On your screen, you can see all of our pieces available for personalization. All you have to do is choose the one you like the most. Once selected, click on the Personalize button, which you can find under the box for quantity. A new window will open where you can see all our designs, fonts, etc. Select the design you like the most and adjust it however you want. You can move it, change its size, rotate it, scale it. Once you have finished your design on the first side, click on the upper orange area. Automatically, your design will be saved and you can design the other side. In this case, we're going to use text. Write your message in the box on the right-hand side where it says text. Once written, click Apply and then you can adjust the design however you like. To write on another line, add another new text. Once your design is finished, click on Add to Cart, which you can find on the inner right-hand side. You can finalize your order or continue shopping, but your design will be saved and ready for us to personalize. Remember, our service takes between 7 and 10 working days.